Question 30. The first part is, if the median of the following frequency distribution is 32.5, find the values of f1 and f2. The class and the frequencies are given. So let's put this in a table format. We know the class and we know the frequency. So the class is 0 to 10, 10 to 20, 20 to 30, 30 to 40, 40 to 50, 50 to 60, and 60 to 70. Now the frequency is given: f1, 5, 9, 12, f2, 3 and 2. And we know that median is 32.5 and the total is also 40. So this total is 40. So let's take the cumulative frequencies. This is f1, f1 plus 5, f1 plus 5 plus 9, 14, f1 plus 14 plus 12, 26. Then here f1 plus f2 plus 26, f1 plus f2 plus 26 plus 3, 29, and here f1 plus f2 plus 29 plus 2, 31. Now median is given to be 32.5. Therefore the median class 32.5 lies between 30 and 40. This is the median class, 30-40 class. Now we know the formula for median is equal to L plus W by G into N by 2 minus B. Okay, now here let's consider all these values. L is the lower class value. So lower one is 30, equal to 30. This is the upper and this is the lower. Now W is the width of the class. So 40 minus 30, which is 10. Then G is equal to the class frequency, which is 12. Then N is equal to the total number, which is 40, this total. And last, B is equal to the cumulative frequency of the previous class. So here this is the class. So the previous class cumulative frequency is f1 plus 14. So this is f1 plus 14. So now we know all values, we can plug it in median. So 32.5 is equal to L plus W by G, which is 12, N by 2, and N is 40, so 40 by 2, 20, minus B is f1 plus 14. 32.5 is equal to 30 plus 10 into 20 minus 14 minus f1 by 12. Two fives are, two six are, we get 32.5 minus 30 is equal to 5 by 6 into 6 minus f1. So 32.5 minus 30 is 2.5 into 6 by 5 is equal to 6 minus f1, and 5 into 0.5. So 6 minus f1 is equal to 3, or f1 is equal to 3. Now we saw that the total is 40, which is equal to f1 plus f2 plus 31, the cumulative of all. So we know that f1 plus f2 plus 31 is equal to 40. f2 is equal to 40 minus 31 minus f1, 40 minus 31 minus 3, which is equal to 6. So we know F1 and we know F2. Okay, let's see the second part. It says the marks obtained by 100 students of a class in an examination are given below. The marks are given, the number of students are given. Draw a less than type cumulative frequency curves, which is a ogive, and hence find median. Okay. So here I am not drawing the graph, but I'll just explain roughly what we need to do. We need to plot these points in the graph chart, which is given to you during the exam. So let's first make it a less than type. So in less than type, so 0 to 5 is 2. So less than 10, less than 5 is 2. So less than 10 will be 2 plus 5, 7. Then less than 15 will be 7 plus 6, 13. So basically cumulative of all. So let's create a less than chart. So less than 5 will be 2, less than 10 will be 7, less than 15 will be 13, less than 20, 21, less than 25 will be 31, less than 30 will be 56, less than 35 will be 76, less than 40 will be 94, less than 45 will be 98, and less than 50 will be 100. So the total. So basically we have to get the cumulative frequencies. Now what we do is we plot these points, which is 5, 2, 10, 7. So we have the xy coordinates 20, 21, 25, 31, 30, 56, 35, 76, 40, 94, 45, 98, and 50, 100. So basically we plot these points on the graph, and then from the graph we take out the median, which will approximately be around 29. Hey guys, if you like the video, do like and share it and subscribe to my channel.